Welcome philosophers, I'm Yannick and you're not. Out here in Cologne the drone's flying but I'm barely standing. Next to me my buddy's holding a beer like it's a compass. A compass to a local graffiti dude I like. He's called Sprühkopp. Master of walls, artist of back alleys, king of the can. And this is my low-res majesty tribute. Yo Sprühkopp, wanna collab? I come to your next gig and I drone you. Under this bridge, the lights are very blue. Not for the mood, but for vain denial. Public health meets rave aesthetic. Very Cologne, very cool. Graffiti, blue light. The faint scent of beer and diesel. This is our Louvre, our runway, our poetry. Another sip, another flip, another passive biker. The city watches or ignores, doesn't matter. Goodbye punks.